The Ultimate Small Shop Guide simply refers to a comprehensive ebook-based course that provides you with all the details you need to build your woodworking shop with minimum budget and space. It also teaches you how to set up your shop and even turn it into a massively profitable venture. Ralph Chapman, the creator of this wonderfully inclusive guide, is an expert in building small shops and has 25 years of experience in the field. The book has not only been created for beginner woodworkers but also professional carpenters. How does it work? Ultimate Small Shop Course warns beginner woodworkers to avoid common mistakes that have been hindering many people from making a successful career out of woodworking. Some of the things the author covers here include improper selection of tools and spending money on tools that will only serve you for a short time. Besides, the author reveals the right places to purchase your tools and supplies from. Other mistakes include how to avoid getting scammed by fake reviews that you are sure to find online when shopping for a woodworking tool. Ultimate Small Shop will help you to create a fully equipped workshop where you can carry out all your activities without necessarily requiring extra space or large capital outlays. In the book, you will find lots of useful tips, tricks, strategies, tools, and price lists for all the equipment you will need. In short, the author equips you with the information needed to create a well-organized and functional store by using less than $1,000. What will you learn from Ultimate Small Shop? The Ultimate Small Shop PDF course is divided into several modules, and each one is written in excellent language that's very easy to understand. Here is a sneak preview of what to expect from this guide. Module 1. This one talks about how to ensure that you get off to a great start by buying the most appropriate tools for your trade. With the right equipment, you can be sure of top-quality workmanship that glues your customers to you. Module 2. Choosing where to locate your woodworking business. Getting the location wrong can have serious ramifications on your business, which is why this section helps you to find the most appropriate room. Module 3. This teaches you how to prepare layouts with tools and locations. The author also shows you where to get all the necessary tools. Module 4. This section has all to do with monitoring light, sound, and performance. When selecting your layout, you must plan with these elements in mind. Module 5. Heating, cooling, dust, and ventilation can dent your hard work, and in this section, the author ensures that you get it right from the word go. Module 6. The author dedicates this chapter to security. Your shop must be in a secure area, otherwise you will be working for someone else. Chapman offers tips and strategies to help you ensure your woodworking shop. Benefits. It contains a shopping list as well as the best tools and equipment and where to source them for the most affordable prices. It will teach you how to create a small shop even if you have a small budget and don't have much space. The author elaborately tackles the section about how to select the right tools for your workshop and gives you reasons why getting inappropriate tools is bad for your small business. It is available instantly upon payment. You don't need to wait for several weeks on end for your product to be delivered. The guide comes with additional bonuses that are very detailed and helpful. It is backed by a solid money-back guarantee that ensures your investment is never at risk. If you feel you have not got what was promised to you, just apply for a refund and be given all your money. The author has used the method to set up his workshop, and you surely can benefit from the 25 years of experience that he brings to the table.